Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it again with an unboxing of the Echo Dot for kids. Ages 3 and up, this is the newest product from Amazon. Basically, it gives kids the ability to talk to Alexa, but it's kid-friendly, and it's got all these kind of kid features. So, I don't even know what character, oh, I guess this is the character that we're going to get. Oh, Alexa's listening here. I better not say that name again. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with this unboxing so you can see what the experience is like for your children. So you open it up, it's got this, what is that, like a donkey unicorn or something? I'm not sure, folks. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the unit itself. Wow, it's kind of got a cool dragon-like character on there. I think that's a dragon. Black bottom on here. They did make this rugged, I believe, so that it could fall off and be kid-proof, essentially. Let's go look at the charging block. This is a proprietary end that I noticed on other Echo devices. So let's go ahead and see what the manual has, if it's different from anything else or even kid-friendly. So this manual gives you everything to get up and running, tells you about the different lights and what they mean, the ring lights. It's also got, oh, here we go. This is what I was looking for. Alexa for kids. So this is more of a kid-friendly guide. Very cool. Kind of gives you commands to get up and running. So like I said, this a lot of parental controls on here. So it kind of gives kids the option to use speakers to ask questions, listen to stories and whatnot. They do have a subscription service as well for Amazon for Kids. I'll have to refresh some more memory about that and what's going on. But you'll want to check out my review of this if you are a parent, or say you're a grandparent or an uncle or aunt and you're thinking about getting this for somebody or some kid. You'll want to watch that review because I'll go through all the features and see if this indeed is a kid-friendly way for kids to use voice assistants. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch the review of the Amazon Echo Dot for kids. See you next time.